Howdy, y'all. I'm Billy Bob. Today I want to show you guys a little bit of... You're going to want to take the beverage of choice.
What is up, guys, and welcome. Today, I have a special video in store for you guys to do. Today, we are going to be playing with sound. Not just any sound, we're going to be playing with 3D binary sound. Now, binary or holophonic or 3D sounds, whatever you want to call it, if you've never heard them before, could freak you out. Please take caution in watching this video. I don't know what I'm fixing to be getting myself into. My sister recommended this video to me to listen to, and I thought I'd listen to it with you guys and show you my reaction. And I'm just going to close my eyes and listen to it. What you do, I recommend using headphones. Actually, you're supposed to use headphones with these things because it is 3D sound. You stick the headphones in and you close your eyes and you pretty much transported to another place. You're involved in something else. It's pretty cool, and you can hear sounds all around. It is like you are in the place. It is freaky, and I do cautious if you do have panic attacks and stuff like that, please do not watch this video. And if you do not blame me for it. Therefore, I gave you a warning. And there was a warning in the beginning of this video, like a written warning. So, yeah, and there's going to be a little warning in the description. So you can't blame me. Alright, but I thought I'd try something different, something new, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Without further ado, put in your headphones, and let's start the video. I'm not going to be talking much in this video when I start the stuff because I want you guys to experience it fully, and just see what my reactions are, as in like my facial movements, if it makes me jump or something, or if like it freaks me out, you know, whatever. I'm going to close my eyes, and all reactions are real. I'm not trying to fake them or anything. I'm going to sit here, and a lot of these are going to probably be involuntarily if something happens. I haven't heard this, so I don't know what's going to happen. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoy it, and thank you. Let's get started. The link to this video, by the way, is going to be in the description. All right.
You're so pretty, aren't you? I bet everyone loves you for how pretty you truly are. You could almost be a model. In fact, I could help you become one with a bit of a makeover. But first, I need to take a few pictures of you for the before and after shots. smile. Oh, so pretty. How about a profile shot? Perfect. Maybe one from the other side. Excellent. Have a lot of fun with those photos. You need a bit of a haircut though. Hair's a bit too long for my liking. La la la. La la. La la. Oops. Cut a bit of your ear off then. Actually, I kinda like it that way. But your face needs a bit of fixing though. No offense. But I can make you a whole lot prettier. I didn't spend 5 years in surgery school for nothing. Doing a bit of work on your left side. Or maybe a bit of work on your right side. Or even cut off that cute little nose of yours. Give you a bit of a Michael Jackson look. But I'll save that for later, because I know you're going to fidget about too much. No matter. I like to do my best work when you're dead. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. You can rest in peace.
Okay, so it was a little short video. Well, I guess it wasn't that short. It was about 5 minutes, wasn't it? Lord. Ugh, that was creepy. So if you guys hear, if you guys if you guys like this video, let me know. If you want to see more like it, then let me know, and I'll see what I can do. But other than that, guys, jeez, that was creepy. A little bit. Felt like Mayor got cut off. But, yeah. If you guys liked it, go ahead and hit that like button, you know what to do. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And, there we go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and peace out. If you're anxious to see more videos on this channel, please click over here on the left annotation. Oh my god, you're still here. Oh my god, you're still here. Come over here. Follow me on these things if you like. If you think I'm subscribe worthy, then click on this shirt. Subscribe to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Peace out. Peace out.